Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I know you've heard me talk about Diamante so much because it's such a beautiful town. This is one of the fishing villages in Calabria in the Riviera di Cedri, and honestly, it's one of the prettiest towns out there. I mean, you go in and every picture you take is like a postcard. It's so beautiful. This place is very nice, completely redone, but redone in a typical Italian sort of characteristic style, and you're right in the historic center. You're right around this corner from the Lungomare, which is the promenade along the sea. Some of my favorite restaurants are in Diamante, some of my favorite shops. It's a beautiful little place. Check it out. Oh, and it has a lift. Yay, lift! Check it out.